Hi, I'm George, and today we're going to drive a ES44DC CSX 2004 model. Well, here's the horn. Here's the bow. Here are the brakes. Here's the radio. Here's the air brake. Here's the reverser. We're going to go forwards. Here's power throttle. Goes up to power throttle to 8. Here's the checkers stuff right there. And we got general electric. And there's the dashboard. And here's my 2004 iPod. This is not a special edition iPod. I got my kindergarten picture. That's what I used to look like. I got my school picture when I was 10 years old in 5th grade. I'm in 5th grade. And I got this picture back when I was in 4th grade with my brother in it. And I got this, my teddy bear, and Pet Rock. And my videotapes with me, the conductor's holding them. So let's start now. The first thing you have to do is honk the horn. And turn off the valve 2. Power throttle to 1. Power throttle to 2. Power throttle to 3. Power throttle to 4. Sorry about that. Some train drivers cough. That's true. Very serious train drivers cough. Even in circus trains. Power throttle to 5. Power throttle to 6. Power throttle to 7.
I'm going faster.
Power throttle to 6. Power throttle to 7. Okay.
You're waving to people outside?
Yeah. There's some rail fans outside. CSX P1 here. About. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm fine. Well, it's tough to get on those curves.
Ooh, that's scary.
Power throttle to 5. Yeah.
Do you get any communication from your freight cars behind you?
Yeah.
Cool. So you know that everything's okay?
Power throttle to here, power throttle to here. I got the CSX equipment defect detector. We got a little too slow. No defects. End of transmission. Great. No, how busy this job is.
All right. Thanks, George, for taking us on a train ride.
Please
Thank you.
subscribe to the Wool Railway channel.